Tree trimming in Colorado Springs, Colorado. In Colorado Springs, Colorado, it's easy to ignore a branch that's hanging just a little too low or a tree that's creeping a little too close to your home. Then, one quiet afternoon, crack! A heavy limb snaps, taking out a section of fence, blocking your driveway, or putting a dent in your car. We hear it all the time. I knew it needed trimming, but I didn't think it was urgent. The truth is, trees rarely give you a warning, and when they do, it usually comes with damage, cleanup, and an expense you could have avoided. That's where Hawk Tree Service comes in. We handle overgrown, leaning, or low-hanging trees before they cause trouble. Here's what we offer homeowners in and around Colorado Springs. Professional tree trimming to remove hazardous limbs and reduce weight. Thinning and shaping to improve tree health and boost curb appeal. Safe clearance from roofs, fences, driveways, and power lines. Honest recommendations. No upselling, no surprises. A quick trim today can save you thousands down the road. Call Hawk Tree Service at 719-249-4765 or visit hawktreeserviceco.com for a straightforward estimate.